The year 2025 has brought us a car that feels like it has been designed not only for today's driver but also for the roads of tomorrow. At first glance, it looks like something sculpted more than manufacture, with clean lines, a bold stance, and a design language that immediately sets it apart. What's interesting is that this car is not trying to scream for attention with unnecessary sharp edges or oversized grills, but instead delivers an elegant, modern presence that balances sophistication with aggression. It almost feels like the designers managed to merge the sleekness of a sports coupe with the practicality of a family-friendly sedan or SUV, depending on the variant. When you talk about competition in this segment, you can't ignore rivals like the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, the BMW i4, and even the Mercedes EQE. They all live in the same world of cutting-edge electric technology, advanced driver assistance, and premium styling. But what makes this 2025 release stand out is how it has managed to bridge the gap between futuristic innovation and day-to-day usability. Some competitors tend to feel like gadgets on wheels, while others lean too heavily into luxury without offering that edge of innovation. This car manages to balance both, which is why it has already gained so much attention. Tracing its roots back to its very first launch, the story is even more fascinating. The original version came out years ago as a bold experiment in blending electrification with mainstream appeal. At that time, it wasn't clear if customers were ready to embrace such a shift. Yet, through consistent improvements in battery efficiency, range, and software, it steadily carved a place in the market. By 2025, it's no longer a niche choice but a mainstream contender, proving that what began as a gamble has turned into a genuine success story. The design itself deserves a closer look. The exterior is defined by its aerodynamic efficiency, which is not just for looks but also plays a major role in maximizing range. The smooth surface, flush door handles, and a reimagined front fascia make the car appear futuristic without being over-designed. The lighting signature, those thin LED strips front and rear, gives it a recognizable identity even at night. Inside, the story continues with a minimalist approach. The cabin feels airy, uncluttered, and built around a digital ecosystem. A massive infotainment screen takes center stage, paired with an equally impressive digital driver display. But what really elevates it is the seamless integration of software and hardware. Voice controls, over-the-air updates, and a user-friendly interface ensure the car feels more like a living, evolving product rather than something frozen in time the day you buy it. In terms of features, you get everything you'd expect from a 2025 model. Advanced driver assistance is standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, autonomous parking, and even highway autopilot in some rims. Connectivity is top-notch, with 5G support ensuring fast cloud-based navigation, real-time traffic, and even streaming entertainment for passengers. Comfort has been given equal weight, with ventilated and heated seats, customizable ambient lighting, and high-quality sustainable materials that not only look premium but also reflect the industry's move toward greener production. Price is always a talking point. Depending on the trim and battery configuration, it positions itself competitively between $45 and $65, which means it directly challenges Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes. For what it offers in terms of range, technology, and build quality, it's actually a solid deal. It doesn't undercut rivals drastically, but it justifies its cost by offering a blend of premium and practical in a way that feels fresh. Performance-wise, this is where it really surprises people. Electric cars are often associated with straight-line speed, and this one doesn't disappoint, delivering quick acceleration, 0 to 60 mil per jam in under 5 seconds for most rims, with higher performance variants dipping into sports car territory. But what sets it apart is not just raw speed but how it handles. The weight distribution, responsive steering, and low center of gravity give it a planted feel around corners. It's sporty without being intimidating, smooth without being boring, and with ranges pushing comfortably over 350 miles on a single charge, it removes the lingering fear of constant charging stops. Fast charging support adds to the practicality, allowing you to get back on the road in less than half an hour with significant battery recovery. The unique selling points are what make this car feel more than just another option on the lot. One of them is its adaptive software that learns driving habits and adjusts energy management accordingly. Over time, the car doesn't just remain the same, it actually gets smarter and more efficient with you. Another standout is the way it blends luxury with sustainability. Unlike some competitors that still rely heavily on traditional materials, this one makes extensive use of recycled and eco-friendly options without compromising comfort. And then, of course, there is the brand's emphasis on offering a vehicle that doesn't lack advanced features behind constant subscriptions, something that has frustrated buyers in recent years. So when you look at the whole package, this 2025 model feels like more than just a new car, it's a statement of where the industry is heading. It combines futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, real-world usability, and a competitive price in a way that makes it difficult to ignore. Whether you're someone who values performance, someone who craves the latest tech, or simply someone looking for a reliable and stylish daily driver, it makes a strong case for itself. And in a market crowded with options, that is no small achievement. Would you like me to make this script specifically about a real 2025 car model, like Tesla, BMW, Hyundai, or Toyota, or keep it as a flexible template you can adapt to any car?